Just about the tax, and that is due. It's due within the next kind of.
So, what's going on, people? Oh, this lags now like mad. Fitness Worx Coventry. Oh my god, why is this so laggy now? Fitness Worx Coventry.
Fitness Worx Coventry, our early bird membership is officially live. Please, no, fuck off. Our early bird membership is officially live.
These are extremely limited, and we're only going to be selling around 30 to 40 memberships, so please make sure you are quick.
Good morning, Fitness Worx.
That is the discount, that's the full discount, that's the lowest it's ever going to be. That's why it's a bit more of an exclusive membership.
I can do that for you now also.
I had 4 missed calls on that.
Going up now.
Got 10. Fuck me, that was quick. He's going to go back up to £32. The gym will be separated into 2 rooms. So, you know, it'll be turned off at 5 PM. Well, yeah, no worries, cool. Right, what is your, give me 2 seconds, what was your name? Right. What I would do is, so it's £25 a month rolling, no contract. The first membership, the first... What's this one coming up? What's going on, people? Welcome to the video. This is video 3 of our kind of Coventry update now. The kit is a cool day because all our kits are arriving today. I think in the last video we spoke about our brand and our kit all being black red. You can see all our walls being black and red. All the kit that arrives today will be black and red. And that is kind of how we've built our fitness brand around Fitness Worx. That's what I think makes us stand apart from the rest, especially around here, especially small independents, is that we spent a lot of time building our brand. And I think it comes down to the people that actually represent your brand, like our trainers, our back office team, the way we approach situations, where we speak to people, conversations on the gym floor. That's basically how our brand started, is kind of having conversations on the gym floor with our members and having something to stand for and actually sticking to that. And then when you sign up new people or sign up new trainers, or you have more back office sales teams, media people, they kind of understand what your brand stands for, and then you stick to it and kind of do what you say you're going to do. That's how we've kind of built our brand, and that's probably one of the, I think, the most important things for Fitness Worx, is that we've created a little mini community, a little kind of solid fitness brand, and that's what's now made us being able to fill these gyms a lot quicker than we used to be able to, because people have seen our social media, have seen our videos, they've seen the stuff we've given back for free, they've seen the videos that I've made with Joe and our trainers have made with Joe, Mia obviously, who does the posts every day, the competitions we do for members, just everything is very member focused. So that is kind of like how we've built a fitness brand. And the colour scheme is kind of a little bit irrelevant, but obviously we've always been black and red, nice and bold. It's quite a strong colour, red is, but it's a strong colour with red and black. Is very strong actually. But then when you come into the gym, people sometimes think, oh, black and red, that's a kind of a meathead style gym, or it's a powerlifter's gym, or it's a CrossFit gym. But then when you come in and speak to the staff are totally different to kind of like the bold colours. They're nice, they're approachable, they're always willing to help. We're always wanting to make sure our members are getting better and they know what they're doing. We don't want our members to feel intimidated and scared. So it all goes to build a solid fitness brand. I think sometimes it's more about the people and the staff and the training, and having something that you stand for and sticking to that. It's not about your fancy designs, your fancy logo, your colour scheme, your videography, your photography. It's not about that. It's more about the people that you have inside your company. That follows on from the last video where we said how we get our gyms full. The next thing was creating a fitness brand, and that is how we've done it. We kind of did it accidentally, and it's just kind of progressed and grown over the last 7 to 8 years, where now we know what we are, we know what we do, we know who we serve, we know our clientele, we know what gyms we need, we know what locations are perfect, we know how we're going to design it, we know what kit we're going to have, and now we can just roll and roll and roll and keep going until we get to where we want to get to. But all our kit's arriving today. It's all been dropped off. We've got cross trainers arriving, treadmills arriving, machines arriving, loads of cool kit arriving. So hopefully the next week this gym will be completely finished. But if you've seen, decorating's done, floors down, we've got build reception, the new suspended ceilings up, everything is looking pretty good. So hopefully after today, once we built it all up, Fitness Worx Coventry will officially be done. If you're watching this and you're early bird, thank you for signing up, and we look forward to seeing you all soon. We've already had a few come to Kenilworth Gym that have signed up to Cov. They've now come down to Kenilworth Gym to try it out. We've had a bunch of ladies that have come down and obviously asking what classes we're going to put on. So it's been quite cool. But yeah, anyway, let's look at the kit.
No, it's not. It's a cable machine spooner. It looks nothing like the lat pull down. Corner over here, guys. Right. Oh. That is here.
Yeah, this way around?
Yeah. So like, if you drop it down there, and you to me, guys, so you can get the other one in. There we are. It's heavy as fucking here. Yeah, get that in, Dad. Get that side in.
Get that side.
Fucking hell. God, Jack. Fucking God, Jack. I'm fucking, no, I've got nothing to lift it on. Fucking hell, I forgot how big they were. Leg press there. Yeah. Leg press here. Then a hamstring extension curl, hammy curl here. And then the glute drive here. And then the chest press, shoulder press here and here. It's coming in.
I'll move this lot. Wait. Yeah. Those bits. Oh.
Dad, watch out for the fucking walls. Brand new walls, he keeps fucking banging things against her. I have chips all over him before we even start.
Bring that round there.
There. Right there. Right, then that goes inside now. Then that needs to come all the way around this side. Watch out with your heel, Chris. That's it, just in there. Lovely. Fucking well heavy. Chris, get a bolt in this side.
Where's the bolt, Rich?
It's the fucking heaviest fucking...
You got a bolt in the
Yeah, it's in there. Yeah, I've got a flip.
I've got most of it, haven't we? I think we're just missing the shoulder press, the squat rack. What else are we missing? Shoulder press.
Shoulder press, yeah.
Where's the shoulder press going to go though? Oh yeah, this is the shoulder press, chest press. Have we got a shoulder press? No, this is the shoulder. This is the same thing. We haven't got any more. That's it, yeah. Chris is right, I think. Yeah, so that's it. All the kit's in. Yeah, no, so everything's in. So we have fit it all in. Yeah, because this is a shoulder press, incline press, and flat press all in one.